Hey kids, how goes it today? Cool. Something showed up in the mail. Stick around because we're going to show you what it is. That is right. We got something to test out today and we're going to do it right now. Yeah, honest face speech. You should remember. Get over here. Come on. This is pretty darn cool is what it is. We got a UFO high bay light from JC LGL. That's right, another light for the shop. That's a dark spot. I don't like it. Hopefully we can put it there. Yep, we've come all the way from over there to over here. You got the directions? Yep. Couldn't be easier. Check this thing out, man. Yeah. I can't wait. The other thing we may do is I've seen them mounted on the wall, you know, something like that. So you can, you know, maybe, so you can work right here. And maybe that's what we'll do. Now this is a super bright 150 watt light. LEDs, man, I'll tell you what. So I've got to get a hex key to loosen that up a little bit, and then we'll show you what it comes with. All right, now, yeah, it was pretty easy. What we got, the only things it comes with are a clip with some safety wire to make sure it doesn't fall, and this sweet hook that goes right at the top, right here. So now, oh, let's see how long that cord is, huh? You gonna take a look at the measure? I do that. There we go. Sorry, it's just right here. Now this cord, of course, make sure you follow the directions on the light because it's going to be smart to do so. Oh, we're looking at, what do we got? What do we got here? We got more than 5 feet. We probably got almost 6 feet right here. So let's get ready to do something with it. I installed this hook. It literally was righty-tighty. Okay. Now we're gonna unplug this guy. 150 watts of brightness. You know what? Let's go right over here. Check it out. Come on, right over here. Okay, so to do a wall mount, here's the cool part. Check this out. I got it right here, like that. Now, of course, we would attach that. Let's see. Oh, wow, man. That's fantastic. That's fantastic, and I think you know it. Let's see if we can put it in another spot. Huh? Yeah. All right, I found a good spot to mount it on the wall. Now, as far as if that's going to stay there, probably I might have to move some other stuff. But let's check this out. I'm going to turn the light off, and I'll plug it in. And then, of course, you know, you can tip it down just like that if you're working right here. I mean, look at that. Lights up all the way over there. Just like that. That's pretty slick. Pretty darn slick. Yeah, the one thing with my shop is it doesn't have outlets in great spots. However, I do have an outlet in that right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the ceiling. I'm going to take that bulb out so we can see how much it really brightens it up over here. And I bet it's a lot. You saw. See the difference? Yeah. I don't know what I just hit, but I hit something. Let's turn on the lights. So I think that's what I'm going to do as a follow-up. Corey. As a follow-up, I'll be talking about this again. I'm probably going to put it right about here. put like back there. And that way when that turns on, it'll turn on and man, that thing's awesome. Of course, there will be a link in the description. Yeah, this video is brought to you by JC LGL. Make sure I'll have pictures and stuff like I do. There'll be a link in the description. This thing was awesome. It lit up. I mean, you saw it. Like I couldn't even get it up on the ceiling where I wanted to put it. So, you know what? Hold on a minute. We're gonna do one more test. I got it up on the ceiling, and we're gonna flip the lights on, and you can see it's right there. It's a temporary mount. It will be moved, but I wanted to see it. Look at that. Sure is bright right there. Anyway, JC LGL. It's a 150 watt UFO light. Go get you one right now. Click that link at the bottom. Keep out wrenching, kids.